It means his party must now find a new leader to compete in a general election. A list of potential candidates has since emerged. One of them, Finance Minister Dominic LeBlanc, has already bowed out, saying he wants to focus instead on his government duties. Here are some of the others expected to enter the Liberal leadership race. While she had long been seen as a trusted senior official in his inner circle, her criticism of Trudeau in her public resignation let her pile the pressure on him and made his departure seem inevitable. As Minister of Foreign Affairs, she helped Canada renegotiate a free trade deal with the U.S. and Mexico. Quitting last month, she criticized Trudeau as insufficiently strong in his handling of Donald Trump's threat to levy U.S. tariffs on Canadian goods. Mark Carney, the former governor of the Bank of Canada and the Bank of England, said on Monday he is considering entering the race. Trudeau himself admitted that he had long been trying to recruit Mr. Carney to his team, most recently as finance minister. He would be an outstanding addition at a time when Canadians need good people to step up in politics, he told reporters on the sidelines of a NATO conference in July 2024. Anand is often touted as one of the more ambitious members of the Liberal caucus, an Oxford-educated academic. She has a background in financial market regulation and corporate governance. In December, she was moved again during a cabinet shuffle into the role of Transport Minister and Minister of Internal Trade. Champagne, 54, entered the Commons in 2015, but since then has gone through International Trade, Foreign Affairs, and most recently the Department of Innovation, Science and Industry. And because of his business acumen, political watchers see him as a viable option for luring centrist Liberals back into the fold. To foreign leaders, the 45-year-old is a familiar face, having represented Canada on the world stage since 2021. As the current foreign minister, she has taken several trips to Ukraine in a show of Canada's support. Jolie has also been at the heart of some of the government's greatest foreign policy challenges, including the diplomatic crisis sparked by the alleged assassination of a Sikh separatist leader on Canadian soil by Indian agents. The Oxford-educated lawyer is a well-connected francophone politician who previously ran for mayor of Montreal. He would periodically call me to say, "Melanie, you need to run. We want you to run," Jolie has said. Clark, 59, served as the leader of Canada's westernmost province from 2011 to 2017, where she built a reputation of being able to balance environmental priorities while developing BC's energy industry. She has repeatedly said in interviews in the past couple of years that Trudeau had become a drag on the federal Liberals,